Hello, today I'm going to be cutting up my Syngonium Rayii. It's getting mature, so it's losing the streak down the middle, but this plant is still so beautiful. Look at these super dark velvety leaves. And it's such an easy grower once it's attached to a pole. This plant will not grow the way you want it to grow if it's not attached to a pole or something. It will just send out runners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently, and I know that's weird coming from me because usually I just rip these plants off the poles, but I'm going to gently, I'm still going to rip it off, let's be serious. I'm not going to pull this pole apart, but I'm going to gently remove this plant from the pole because this is one plant that I find still sells pretty well. I'm going to try and fly through this though because it's starting to rain, it's starting to sprinkle on me, and I don't want to get wet because it's winter, contrary to me not wearing a jumper. So I guess the first thing I'm going to do is try and find out where it's attached to because it's got so many growth points, and then slowly start to remove the roots from the pole. There is a lot of growth points on here. You can't see anything. I'm so sorry. So for example, like this is mostly all just runners with the tip of it having leaves. This is what I'm talking about. If it's not growing up a pole, this is all you're going to get. So I'm simply going to cut this off here and keep the leaves, and then the runner going in the bin. I really want this rain to hold off until I'm finished here, but you can hear it's getting louder. I should have stopped with the last video I did. All right, I'm gonna need to be a little bit more brutal and cut these roots off, which is a shame, but oh well. I don't want to stand out here getting soaked. It's getting so heavy. I'm trying to be quick. All right, it's all off the pole. Oh, no, it's not. Now it's all off the pole. I'm gonna have to do the rest of it off camera because I'm getting really wet, but I have all of these cuttings here, so follow along to find out what they're gonna look like when they start growing and then to see me pop them up in the future.